Hi guys, welcome to another tutorial here on IT.Tutorials. I am Josef Bodnar. This time I'm gonna to make a tutorials in Python, and the goal of this tutorial is to talk about manipulating strings in Python. What if we want to print this text hello IT tutorials on different lines here in console? One of the methods could be to use a few times this print function, yeah, like 4 times. And this way we will get here in console hello IT tutorials on 4 lines. So hit the run button, and as you can see the result is hello IT tutorials printed out in this console on 4 lines. Yeah, so we can use this method, but this method is not very efficient, yeah, to repeat this function many times. So I try to show you another method, which in my opinion is more efficient, like using the escape sequence new line, which is formed by backslash and the character n. So I'm going to insert here this new line escape, sequence escape, yeah, which is formed, as I told you, by this backslash line and this character n. Now I'm going to copy this text and I'm going to paste it after this new line. I'm going to use again a new line, paste it again, hello IT.Tutorials, new line, and again I'm going to paste this string, yeah, hello IT tutorials. So now we are going to have 1, 2, 3, 4 lines here printed out in console. Hit the run button, and here you go. We have the same thing using this new line, as you can see, yeah, insert it between these strings. I think this method is more efficient, and I would recommend you to use this method when you want to print out in console string on different lines. Another method which we can use to manipulating strings in Python is concatenation. The concatenation means to combine two or more strings using the plus operator. So let's remove all these things here, and let's concatenate this string hello IT tutorials by using here a double quotes, and I'm going to use this plus operator in order to combine these two strings hello and IT tutorials, yeah. All right, let's hit this run button. Here you go, we have the result here, hello IT tutorials, but I don't like the result. Why? Because I don't have space between hello and IT.tutorials. So in order to insert space between these two, I have to use this character space, because the space is a character or could be a string if I insert the space between two double quotes, yeah. And as you can see, I use double quotes, and now I'm going to insert the space, yeah. And I have to use again this plus operator. Here you go, yeah. Hit the run button, and here you go. Now we have space between hello and IT tutorials, and now we get this result because we use the concatenation using this plus operator, as you can see. Thank you for watching this video tutorial. See you next time. Bye bye.